Hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Project Manager for project management. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, open up your web browser and then just search up for Project Manager. And then just click on the first link that will pop up and then you'll be greeted by this. So you can start off with a free trial or log in your account. So let us start by signing up. So click on start free trial right here and then you'll be asked to sign up. So just input the details needed and then just click on start free trial. So once you're done, you'll be redirected here. So Project Manager will ask you some questions so that it will customize your workspace. So first, it will ask what brings you here today. So let's say we'll use Project Manager for some personal stuff, and then from here, it will ask you to choose a template. So if it's for construction, manufacturing, IT, software, marketing, professional services, or professional management. But for now, I will start from scratch. So first, let us start off by creating a project. So once you're at the homepage of Project Manager, go to Portfolio, and then just click on New Project. And then from there, you can start off by setting a project name. So let's just name this Sample Project. And then from there, you can also start with a template if you want. So they have different kinds of templates for your needs. So they have construction schedule, construction proposal, IT, event planning, and a lot more. So if none of this fits your goal, what you can do is just go head back and then just create a project. There are also options right here if you want to share this project only for yourself, for everyone, or specific people. So for now, I'll just set it to just me. So just click on Create Project. And then there you go. You now have your first project. And then next, let's try inviting some people. So if you want to invite people, what you want to do is just go to Team. And then from there, there's a button right here that says Invite People. So just click on that. And then you can invite people now. So let's just input a name. So let's name him John, last name Smith, and then enter their email right there. And then you can let them, and then you can choose a role. So you can make them global admin, manager, member, guest, or none. And then after that, you can add them to your project. So just click on select project right here and then just choose which project you want them to add to. So let's just say sample project. And then once you're done, just click on send invite and then the invite link will be sent to their email. Now, let us create tasks for our project. Before we start in creating our task, Project Manager has different kinds of views for your management. So we have a list view, a board view, Gantt view, a sheet view, dashboard, a calendar, files, and then risk. This plus button right here allows you to customize which feature will be shown. So if I uncheck this, it will now be gone. So let us start off by creating a task. So just go back to list view and then just enter a task name. So let's just name it video recording and then just click on enter. And then once you click on this, it will bring you to this page right here and then you'll see a lot of options. So we can start off by setting a due date for this video recording. So just click on this calendar right here and then you can set the due date of your task. So let's just put hours on May 29. And then next, if you want to assign a specific person for this task, just go here that says assignee and then just click on the plus button and then you can choose the person that you want in assigning the task. So let's say I'll choose Jennifer Jones and then there you go. You can also add the description if you want, a to-do list, some tags, and then some subtasks. You can also add attachments or let that person add attachments when they are recording a video so they can upload their video recording here. And then you can also add comments. And let's say that your task is pretty important. What you can do is set a priority for that task. So just go here that says priority and then you can change it to the priority that you want. So we can make it critical, very high, medium, low, and very low. So for example, let's just put it on very high. And then once you're done configuring your settings, just click on X. And then let's add another task. So let's just put a task that says editing. Then just click on enter and then now the task is created. So when you click on this task again, you will be greeted by this and then you can start configuring the settings again. So let's set a due date for it. So let's say May 30th and then priority, let's make it critical. Let's add an assignee to it. So let's say Mike Smith. You can also add a description, to-do list, some tags, subtasks, attachments, and comments. And then once you're done, just click on X. Moving on, we go to the board. So in the board, you will see this. So let's say that the video recording task is already done. So let's say the video recording task is being done at the moment. So what that worker can do is drag this to the doing task. And then once the worker is already done doing it, the worker can now drag it to done. Same goes with editing. You can move it to doing, and then once it's done, you can now drag it to done. And then when we go to the Gantt view, you will see a chart version of your task. And then when we go to sheet view, you will see a sheet version of your task. So you can see the task name, duration, plan start, plan finish, assigned, and priority. Moving on, when we go to dashboard, you will see an overall view or a summary of your tasks. So you will see here the progress of your tasks. And then when we go to calendar, you will see a calendar view of your tasks. So as you can see over here, we have a video recording task that is set from May 27 until May 29, and video editing from May 27 to May 30th. Moving on, when we go to files, you can add files here. So if you want to add a file, just click on add file and then just upload your file. And then when you delete that file, it can be found here in the trash can. And then when we go back to list view, you can also set filters if you want. So let's say you can filter for people. So if you want to see Jennifer Jones's work, so just click on that. There's also due dates, progress, priority, task, and tags and tasks. So let's say that the task is already done. So you can see the status is done and you want to close that task. What you want to do is just click on done here, and as you can see, it's now closed. Same goes with this one. Click on done there, so you can see it's already closed. And then when we go back to the dashboard and when you check the task, as you can see, it is now marked as complete. So yeah, those are pretty much the basics in using Project Manager for project management.